So next is our D part. Blank plus 5913 is equal to 5913 plus 3633. Now in order to retain this equality, addition sum is there. So the only number that has to come here is this one, 3633. Second question. Fill in the blank. First one is, now this is how you pair, the way you group. Now second question is based on grouping property. Remember grouping property, we did this one, grouping property. If you add first two, then you add third one, or you add last two, then you add first one, it doesn't change the final sum. It doesn't change the final sum, right? So coming back to our exercise. So your question 2 is purely based on the grouping property. So let's get started how to do them. Your question number 2, A part, 5423 plus 357, then 160 is equal to 5423 plus 357 plus what should come here. Now see, we are grouping. First we grouped these two addenda, then to the sum we added this one, and we got the answer which must be equal to when we add this one and some other number and then this one. It means the three numbers or the three addenda which are being used are same. These three addenda are the only addenda which are being used. So now we have to see which one has been written and which has not been written. हम देखेंगे कि अगर हमारी ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ होल्ड कर रही है, इट मीन्स कि थ्री नंबर्स यही वाले थ्री नंबर्स हैं जो यूज़ हुए होंगे. तो हम देख लेंगे कि इनमें से कौन सा लिख दिया गया है और कौन सा नहीं लिखा हुआ है. जो नहीं लिखा हुआ है हम वो यहाँ लिख देंगे. Now see, this has already been written. This has already been written. Now which one is left? This one. 160. So it will come here. 160. Right? I'm going to do this again for you in a clear way. So our B part now is 1111 plus grouping of 2222 and 3333 is equal to plus 3333. Now which one is missing? This one is missing. So it will come here. Since there is equality and addition, so it means it has to satisfy the grouping property. So this one is the only number left. Since if it is satisfying the grouping property, it means only three numbers are there. These three numbers are there. If this one is missing, it has to come here only. So that fills your blank. Okay. Next is your C part. 1252 plus 1917 something equals to something. 1917 plus 2325. Now something is missing here as well. It means three numbers are, one is this is different one. So it could be the second one, and this is same in both the cases. So this is the third number. This is your first number, this is your second one, and this is your third number. Now see which one is missing. This is equality. Equality means on the both sides three numbers should be there, grouped in different way, right? Now this one is present on both the sides. This is present here but not here. Since it has already been grouped on this side, इस साइड पे इसकी already grouping हुई है, it means इस साइड पे ये grouping नहीं करेगा, so it will come here only. इस नंबर ने इस साइड grouping कर ली है, it means ये यहाँ grouping नहीं कर सकता, so it will come here only. Okay. Now the D part. 2533 plus 4753 plus 2915 equals to something plus 4753 plus 2915. Now see which one is missing number. This one is missing. It's not on this side, right? This number is here, this number is here. Now this is the missing number. It has to come here so as to satisfy this equality, right? So 2533 has to come here. Okay. Now let's move to our next third question. Third question is about using the property of zero. Remember the property of zero? It states that whenever we add 0 to any number, the sum is a number itself. If I have a number, I add 0 to it, it's gonna be 2 again. It's number itself, right? If I add 23 here and 0, then I get 23 again. It's itself only. And this holds for all numbers, all the numbers. Okay? So let's get started with our sums. Third question, A part. 3173 plus something, and it came out to be 3173. If we are getting number itself after addition, then it must be 0 here. It has to be 0 here, right? So this is your answer. 0 has to come here. Next is B part. Blank plus 1573 and it's equal to 1573. It's a number. After adding it to something, we are getting itself this number again. Then it has to be 0 here, right? It's very easy to do. C part. 2148 plus 0. What does it gonna be? It's gonna be number itself. It's gonna be number itself. So which is 2148 again, using the property of 0. So D part now. Add 0 and we get 1739. There must be an addendum to which we add 0 and then we get this again. Then it has to be the number itself here. Only then we'll get number, right, as a sum. So it has to be this number again. Question number 4. Now here is a question number 4. Solve the following. They have given you same three numbers in a different way. These three numbers have been grouped in three different ways, and you are being asked to solve them and to conclude. What do you observe? It is written, what do you observe? What do you observe means After doing these sums, what do you observe from their behavior? What do you conclude from their sum? So let's do it and see what do we observe. First, A part states that you have to add, first you have to add 2312, then 4592. First add them. It's gonna be like this. Then add this one, 133. We're gonna get this. So let's write at this answer here. A part had answer 7037. So we'll just see the answer of B part. So let's just erase it. Then see the answer to our B part. Now let's do our B part. 2312. Okay, first we don't need to add them. Since you can see the grouping is between these two numbers first. So first we have to add them only. It's 5, 12, 7, this. Now you have to add this one, 2312. Now see what do they give you. So it's 7037. So B part also gave us this answer. Right. So let's erase this now and do our C part. C part, and we'll write the answer to C part here. First we need to add these two, 2312 and 133. 5, 4, 4, 2. Now add this one, 4592. It's 7, 13, it's 10, and it's 7. So now you tell me, what do you observe from this? Tell me. We can clearly see that the sum in all the three cases has come out to be 7037. In all the three cases, we got the same sum. Answer has come out to be same. What does this mean? That you can write, we observe that grouping of the addenda does not affect the sum. आप अपने अडेंडा को कैसे भी ग्रुप करो, उससे क्या होता है, आपका सम चेंज नहीं होता, right? So I hope you understood. That's all for today.